Hey guys, we are in the last 24 hours of buttoning up this project, and it is an exciting time. So everything's come together so amazing. We still have a house full of guys here just trying to meet this 5 o'clock deadline today, and then we'll have a few stragglers back next week for a few items that you know, there's always a glitch when you got to replace a piece of material or an order didn't come in right. So we're excited about getting this on the market next week. So welcome to the inside. Everything's been cleaned now. We're going to have the cleaners back for a once over, but our furniture is starting to be delivered. We have more deliveries coming next week, but check out the chandeliers, and we now have that wallpaper done on the wall there in the middle of the dining room, and the glass is in on the catwalk upstairs. So they're finishing that up today too. So it's just looking amazing. Look at these 3x3 limestone floor tiles. I don't know if that's easy to see in the video there, but it's just amazing. Our doors that we salvaged from the house here that were on the wine storage room, I guess, we actually relocated them here, and they came out great. This enters the library. You can see we've had a few pieces of furniture delivered. But our kids are already making use of the entertainment system and surround sound in this room. The blinds will be going in, and this room is actually receiving blackout curtains. And it also doubles as the home office and library. So we have this shelving system custom built with the ladder that's still wrapped up here. And the ladder will go completely across the top so that they can make use of the entire wall for all their books. The stairs are coming out fantastic, and the back is great too. I'm not going to walk out there right now. I've got booties on and it's wet, but we had, what's that called? The coating finished sealed. We had the tumblestone sealed out here, and I love that look that almost has it look wet as well. And the pool and the waterfall. If you can see right here, we've built a pergola. And we've had the landscaper install some bougainvillea, which will ultimately run up across this wood, the cedar. So as you come on in, be careful. It is a little bit wet. We're doing touch-up paint here. But this carpet is like, you could just sleep in this carpet. It's just amazing, and make a snow angel probably. But we've got, we are furnishing it with the flat screen TVs. These are Ultra HD. And like I said, the furniture's coming in. So we're still waiting for more deliveries. But this room looks huge now, thanks to enclosing what was an original little 100 square foot, not even that big, of a patio. And by enclosing that, we've just changed the whole look and feel of this room. Now, the shower glass guys are here finishing the glass in all the bathrooms, and you can already see how that's coming together and looking fantastic. So our, it's wet there. And this just looks amazing. We've got tumblestone slabs, travertine slabs as our countertops, and to go with the travertine tile. And I just love the way the shower came out and the freestanding tub. Just amazing. Check out this closet. Now, if I was moving in, this closet would be all for me, but someone will have to share it, probably give their husband a drawer or two. But we had all the closets custom made, and love the little gadgets that it comes with. We've got his and her hampers and some drawers. And because we took down that original separating wall, we decided to build almost like a built-in dresser. And this also is covered in a travertine slab. So as you can see, we've been knick-knack shopping here. And I love the chandelier that was chosen. And so I just love the way that the closet came out, and you can enter it from his or her side of the bathroom. So let's head back on out. All right, so now this is our dining room table. We'll obviously be moving that under the chandeliers, and we're waiting for the rugs to come in. If you remember at the beginning, we had like a sunken landscaping bed here. It was kind of funky. We've obviously filled that in. We've created wine storage here with 2 separate Sub-Zero coolers. So in an ideal world, one would be for red and one would be for white. I love the way this bathroom came out, and here's our panel for our smart system. This is by far the coolest thing on the planet, and we just finished having it programmed, and Juan's a technology master. All I have to do is press buttons, but these masters got together and made this amazing security, monitored security. I mean, it's amazing what you can do from your cell phone to control this house. And so this is one of my favorite pieces. We brought this over from Mexico, took off the legs on the bottom, and distressed it in turquoise to go with our accent color, which is turquoise in the house. And we just did the same thing with this mirror and picked it up today. So this is super cool. And then we topped it with a modern vessel sink to tie in that whole modern rustic look that we're going for. So now when you come into this room, I do believe that this whole area will be like the main favorite room of whoever lives here. The previous owners left behind this big G Gandy pool table. So we've had it refelted and cleaned up and put back together just yesterday. And over it, we put a super modern, really sweet light fixture. I'm really stoked about that one. I like it a lot. And you know, from there, maybe you can even see the outdoor summer kitchen. It's coming together. We're still waiting for the grill. But super cool. That's going to have a flat screen TV out there as well. And patio furniture will be coming. So over here, we're waiting for our couches to get delivered, and our fireplace will have a modern trim around it with glass doors, and that will be finished the beginning of next week as well. And so now I don't want to walk on our new carpet. The couches will come in here, big coffee table, and then our huge 70-incher HD up there. And you can see, from here, you can see the glass balcony for the upstairs living area, how the ceiling got stained in the dark wood to match the front doors and the stairs. Just looks so amazing. And then we step back over this way. Now at the very beginning there was this trellis looking type of wall here. It was hideous, so we removed it and really opens up the area. So come on back this way. I love all this stuff, how it's coming together. And then of course our kitchen. So with a click of a button, with the clapper, we can turn up all the lights. So our kitchen is just amazing. All the appliances came in. So let me show you what costs about $40,000 in appliances. We have an ice machine here. All right, I just love the way the countertops came out and everything. We have an under-the-counter microwave, Sub-Zero refrigerator. And then over here you've got dishwasher. We have a deep sink with Instahot, a prep sink, our chef's gas cooktop, and the hood comes up out of here. Okay, let's see if we can make that happen here. So, and our double oven, our double wolf oven. So this is truly like a cook's kitchen. This house had no gas previously, so we did, you know, bury a tank and run gas for new tankless gas water heaters in the house now, and out to the grill, and of course to the kitchen. So super cool. We chose to go this route rather than bring something down from the ceiling. Our ceilings aren't that high in this room, and we just wanted to keep it, you know, as big, appearing as large as possible. So actually, let's head over this way and check out that laundry room. All right, so now our laundry room is actually quite large. We've put in the Electrolux front loaders on pedestals. We've put in a farm sink. We actually salvaged the original kitchen and sanded it and had it redone in white. I think it came out great. We are doing stainless countertops in here with Subway backsplash. So I'm really looking forward to the finish of this laundry room, which we're in that 24-hour period here where this will be done. And one of the things that I thought was awesome, well, this is hanging too low, so ignore that. We're going to swap that out with another one here. But one of the things I thought was awesome to do is the Sub-Zero that was in this kitchen, or even though everything else was a million years old, this Sub-Zero was only about 5 years old. So because it was in good shape, we thought we'd keep it and give a spare Sub-Zero fridge. Everybody loves having a spare fridge. I know I do, and it's in my garage. But we're so close to that kitchen to come in here and grab whatever you wanted out of another refrigerator, especially another Sub-Zero. That's just awesome, nice and sweet. And then one of the things, if you recall, we did not have a walk-in pantry. Watch out behind you. So we actually built one. So here now is a walk-in pantry, plenty of shelves, and so we're excited about a walk-in pantry. In addition to all of the cabinet space that we have in the kitchen, there's even more space here. But with this size home and all of the entertainment aspects of it, we imagine that they'd want a lot of room for this kind of thing. I'm just going to let you peek into the garage now. I love the way that the floor got finished, and I'm not sure that it'll come out great on the video. But we have all brand new garage doors, new garage door openers, and this sweet coating on the floor called epoxy. So I think that came out beautiful. Love the way it looks. So we're going to go in the one last bedroom that's on the first floor, and then we'll take you back upstairs. All right, now this is the only other bedroom downstairs. It's behind the kitchen and the laundry and the garage, and it's what's called our maid's quarters. And it has its own en-suite bathroom as well. Actually, all the rooms here do. And so as you'll notice, we are staging the home. So we're in that process, and the last final thing you do is actually bring the furniture in. So this room has kind of been storing all of those items since we're waiting for the guys to get out of the way. And then they're doing just some final touch-up in the bathroom, but we're really excited about how everything's coming out. So now I'm going to take you upstairs. All right, our railing is finally in, and most of the glass is in now as well, and that should be wrapped up today. But this is just amazing. I love the way this looks. It's just unbelievable. So what I'll do is let's head this way. Well, okay, we're going this way. I love these orb fixtures. When we bought the house, these were ceiling fans here, and this is so much more of a cool look. So this is an upstairs living area. We will stage this as just a small sitting area. But we finished off an outdoor screened patio with a ceiling fan there for someone to sit out and look at the views and read. And then all of the balcony areas have new railings, redone railings. It looks great. And then of course we recreated a wet bar here, and we'll have a couple shelves coming in, but we've got a beverage fridge and lots of cabinet space here. So if we cruise through here, this is the only bathroom that is shared with a bedroom. And I think it came out fantastic. I love this shower, how it just blends with the wood floors and looks amazing. So, just love it. Love it, love it. And so, the rooms look great. Staging really helps. And each of the rooms has their own outdoor sitting area, because in Florida people love to sit outside. So let's cruise over to this next room here. We're in our second to last room over here, and then I'll take you to the guest suite. All right, this is another bedroom, of course. I love the way it came out, of course. And this bathroom was completely gutted here. They're still going to come in here and do the shower glass, and then we'll finish this off. Well, the bathtub glass, I'll put some doors in. That glass will actually come up on this little seat there, so to speak. But this is nice and big, and again, another modern vanity there, floating vanity. Love it. The staging really, really helps. It just really helps put things together, So now we're going to take you to the other side of the second floor, to the guest quarters. And again, this room also has its own balcony. So there's just so much space and so much to take advantage of in this home now. And so let's cruise over the big guest suite. Now this is the guest suite. This is really what you would call an upstairs master, but the master suite of course blows this one away. So in here we've got a queen size bed, fits really nicely. And then of course it has, again, its own en-suite bathroom, but this bathroom is huge. Now again, the shower glass is going in, it's already laying here. But look at the size of the shower, it's just massive, I love it. And then this bathroom before had two vanities in kind of an L shape, and so we just ended up with one really large vanity, again another modern floating vanity, and we love the way it came out. And we've got a water closet and a bidet up here. It was definitely easier to replace the bidet rather than just closing it up and moving the water closet over. So I love the tile that was chosen. I really like the finishes that we've put into this home, and nothing goes without a lot of planning. And so our designer here, Beverly, she's the world's best designer, is helping put all the stuff in place, and she's also a delivery service. She knows where all the good deals are, she knows what to do, and she likes to yell at me a lot because I have no taste. And so because this room is the guest suite and it's pretty large, this is the sitting area, and so I love this, the little couch here. Again, they're able to sit here and you know, look at the view. And this particular guest suite also has a walk-in closet where some of the others don't necessarily have the walk-in part of it. But anyway, I just love how this is all coming out. And we will be back for one more video to wrap it all up once everything is absolutely completely done and you don't hear tools at work in the background and all the furniture is in. And of course, we're writing a contract for sale. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you learned a lot, and we look forward to catching you on the next video. Check us out at 32westrealty.com and palmbeachflippers.com.